In our modern society, it's all too common to find ourselves trapped in the web of unhappiness and discontent. We search for answers, seeking to unravel the mysteries of our existence and find lasting fulfillment. What if I told you that the key to understanding our unhappiness lies in the profound interconnectedness of life itself? Buddhist teachings and scientific findings converge to shed light on this enigmatic connection. Join us on a captivating journey as we delve deep into the causes of unhappiness and explore how to break free from its grip. This video will challenge your perceptions and empower you with essential knowledge to avoid the pitfalls of suffering. Through conscious awareness, we can learn to navigate the complexities of pain and suffering, discovering newfound resilience amidst life's challenges. But that's not all. By attuning ourselves to the natural state of being, we gain profound insight into the workings of our minds and the world around us. Prepare to uncover the transformative power of self-awareness as we guide you towards a deeper understanding of your own consciousness and its immense capacity for healing and growth. And as we unravel the interplay between our actions and the collective consciousness of the cosmos, you'll be astounded by the impact our choices and behaviors have on the world we inhabit. If you find this topic intriguing and yearn for a new perspective on happiness and the interconnectedness of life, we invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more enlightening content. All right, let's get started. Have you ever stopped to think about the intricate web of connections that exist between all living beings? Buddhists have long recognized the profound concept of interconnectedness, and interestingly, scientific research supports this ancient wisdom as well. From the smallest organisms to the vast ecosystems of our planet, everything is interconnected. Just like the delicate balance of nature, our thoughts, actions, and intentions reverberate throughout the fabric of existence. Scientific findings reveal that particles at the quantum level can be entangled, affecting each other regardless of their spatial separation. This astounding entanglement echoes the Buddhist belief in the interconnected nature of all phenomena. By embracing this concept of interconnectedness, we arrive at a deeper understanding of our place in the world and the profound impact we can have on ourselves and others. While suffering may seem like an undesirable part of our human experience, it serves an essential purpose, adding depth, humility, and compassion to our lives. It is through our struggles and moments of adversity that we grow stronger, gaining wisdom and empathy. Suffering has the power to transform us, shaping our character and deepening our understanding of the human condition. In the face of hardship, we have the opportunity to cultivate qualities such as resilience, gratitude, and compassion. These invaluable qualities not only benefit us individually, but allow us to make a positive impact on the world around us. Friends, unhappiness arises due to thoughts and interpretations we attach to situations, rather than the situations themselves. Have you ever noticed how two people can experience the same situation but have completely different emotional reactions? It's because our happiness or unhappiness isn't solely determined by the external circumstances, but rather by the thoughts and interpretations we attach to them. Imagine this. You receive constructive feedback on a project you've been working on. One person might view it as an opportunity for growth and improvement, while another may interpret it as a personal failure, leading to feelings of unhappiness. The situation itself didn't cause unhappiness. It was the meaning we assigned to it. By understanding this, we gain the power to reshape our thoughts and perspectives. We can choose to reframe situations in more positive and empowering ways, leading to a shift in our emotional well-being. Life would be simpler without stories concocted by our minds that often lead to suffering. Our minds are incredibly creative, constantly weaving intricate stories about ourselves, others, and the world we live in. However, these stories often contribute to our suffering, adding layers of complexity to our lives. Think about it. How many times have you caught yourself overanalyzing a situation, replaying scenarios in your head, or worrying about the future? These mental stories can consume our thoughts and emotions, leading to unnecessary suffering. Suffering can manifest in various ways, often disguised as everyday emotions and reactions. Have you ever found yourself feeling irritated, impatient, or consumed by anger? These common forms of suffering are often rooted in our attachment to our desires and expectations. It's crucial to recognize these patterns within ourselves, to observe how they arise and affect our well-being. By developing this awareness, we gain the ability to break free from these destructive cycles and find greater inner peace. In times of intense suffering, it can be challenging to find solace and understanding. Yet, there is a profound opportunity hidden within our struggles, the chance to offer our suffering to a higher power. By surrendering our pain, we acknowledge that we are part of a grander plan, a divine tapestry that surpasses our limited understanding. Even when it seems like our suffering is too much to bear, we can find comfort in the belief that there's a purpose beyond our immediate perception. Letting go of our resistance and embracing the mystery of the unknown grants us a sense of peace and freedom. Through this act of surrender, we open ourselves up to the possibility of transformation, allowing the higher power to guide us through difficult times. Friends, let's talk about awareness now. Awareness of one's natural state of being allows for effortless understanding and the unfolding of new perspectives. Have you ever experienced a moment of pure clarity where everything seemed to make sense effortlessly? This state of being, known as awareness of one's natural state, holds the key to understanding and embracing new perspectives without struggle. When we tap into our natural state of being, we let go of the mental noise and external distractions that cloud our perception. It is like removing the filters through which we view the world, allowing us to see things as they truly are. In this state, understanding flows effortlessly, and new perspectives unfold before us. We become more open to different ways of thinking, releasing our attachments to rigid beliefs or preconceived notions. Cultivating this awareness requires practice, but the rewards are profound. As we connect with our authentic self and embrace the present moment, we unlock a world of understanding and limitless possibilities. In a world filled with constant busyness and distractions, we often overlook the power of simply being present in the moment. Yet, paying attention to our natural state of being is surprisingly effortless and requires no action or external changes. It starts with a conscious shift in our focus. Instead of getting lost in the whirlwind of past regrets or future worries, we bring our attention to the here and now. We let go of the need for constant doing and allow ourselves to simply be. By staying present in the moment, we become aware of our thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise and pass away. We observe without judgment or attachment, fostering a deep sense of acceptance and inner peace. As we have learned, our actions have far-reaching consequences that extend beyond ourselves. We are interconnected with all living beings and the vast expanse of the cosmos. By showing love and compassion, we create a positive ripple effect on the collective consciousness. Each act of kindness has the power to uplift not only ourselves, but also those we encounter on our path. Friends, we conclude this video here. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support allows us to continue spreading these empowering messages. We invite you to share your kind words and reflections in the comment section below. Your contributions are invaluable and help foster a vibrant and supportive community. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting, embracing the beauty of life, and spreading love in every corner of the universe. God bless.